Hello friends, I am here with a very important question for your exam of fluid mechanics and hydraulics, that is derive Bernoulli's equation and what are the assumptions and limitations of Bernoulli's equation. You can see that the question is many times asked in GTU exam, that is May 2019, May 2018, January 2017 and January 2024. So let's start. Okay, first of all, what the Bernoulli's equation state? It states that the sum of pressure energy, kinetic energy and the potential energy is constant along a streamline. Okay, so for the derivation of Bernoulli equation, we have to integrate the Euler equation, which we have derived in previous lecture. So we know that the Euler's equation, that is given by dp by rho plus g dz plus v dv equal to 0. Okay, for Bernoulli's equation we have to integrate this Euler equation, so we will get the Bernoulli's equation. So after integrating this equation, we get that p by rho plus gz plus v square by 2 equal to constant. So we can write down it as p by rho g plus v square by 2g plus z equal to constant. Okay, for substituting rho g equal to gamma, we also write as p by gamma plus v square by 2g plus z equal to constant. So this is the Bernoulli's equation. In this equation, the p by gamma term is known as the pressure head, v square by 2g term is known as the velocity head, and the z is the potential head. So Bernoulli's equation state that the summation of pressure head, velocity head and potential head is constant throughout the streamline. Okay, now we will talk about the assumptions of Bernoulli's equation. For assumption of Bernoulli equation and the Euler equation is same. So the first assumption is flow is steady. Okay, now what is the steady flow? That the properties of the fluid flow does not change with respect to time is known as a steady flow. So here it is considered that flow is steady. Now next assumption is fluid is ideal. Now ideal fluid means no frictional effect due to viscosity. Okay. Next is flow is incompressible, that is density of the fluid is constant throughout the fluid. Next flow will be one dimensional flow, and last is the velocity of flow is uniform. Okay, these are the assumptions involved in the Bernoulli as well as Euler's equation. If we talk about the limitations of the Bernoulli equation, then it can be first, it is not used for unsteady flow. Second is it is only used for the non-frictional flow. Okay, and next is it is not used for the compressible fluid. Okay, thank you.